Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 18, 2022. Hard Sudoku. 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 462. Column F. Column G. We have 4. So 4 can't come. These cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F. Column G. We have 3. That also we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Ninth row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. And then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 7th row, we have 4. Column D also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 4. 10th row also we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 4. Second row, third row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 6th row we have 2. Second row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, third row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, second row, third row, also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. the 9 is confirmed here. Then the 8th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, on second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then third grid, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then the first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. In 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. We have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.